Hindi. Oo, nako, higa. Higa, higa.
Just need time. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? It's you.
Pasok kami sa Lavender Farm. Lavender Gram. Alam niyo ba kung ilang oras kami nagbiyahe? Pumunta lang dito sa farm na to. 5 hours. Oh my God. Ayan o. Welcome to Lavender. Huh? Diyan? Ano dito? Ah, dito yung epicacent. Si Aryan! Huh?
Pinsi.
Pinsi daw? Lavender. Ayan yung ticket niya. Wow.
Ikuha ka na dyan.
Sige, picture mo ako dito. Hindi. Oo, nako, higa. Higa, higa. Dapat dyan tayo. Walang tao. Wait lang.
Si Ruslani, ayun o. Parang drone din ito ah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. And you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. And you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
Dito ka? Ah, ganda.
Daming pumupunta guys.
Ubusin na tayo ng pay. Oh, ubus na.
Bakit? Ano na yan? Lobat na?
Oo.
Hala.
Wala ka muna yan. I-charge ko muna. Ay, wala tayong charger. Ano? Andun sila, ano? Wala. Paano tayo kaya makakuha ng lisensya dito?
pinadaanan ng ano yan, no? Drone.
Saan ko pa doon?
Pag ano, no? Mababa lang.
Oo. Ano natin?
Hindi maganda sa video eh.
Parang drone din ito.
green pa sila.
Umalis naman yan.
Siguro hindi pa talaga ano siya. Hindi pa lahat talaga.
Marami pa magtakad din.
Oo.
Ay, tingnan mo kaya ang ganda. Saan ka? Saan ka?
Meron naman dito sa ano, dito sa dulo tayo. Pero nagpipicture naman si ate. Doon na lang yata tayo.
Hindi, dito.
Tara. Doon, wala doon.
Yeah. Hindi ka kita dyan?
Ang lawak niya guys.
Han? Padaanan ko lang ng drone ha? Han? Kaya lang walang kwan dito, hindi pwede dito. Hindi pwede pumatong yung kwan dito, drone. Dapat doon sa patag. Yung sinakyan ko na
Alin?
yung motor kwan,
Alin?
yung traktor, ayun
Saan?
Oo, sa highway.
Oo nga.
Dati dito nilagay yan, doon yan.
Oh, nandito na si ate. Bilis ah.
Ay, patay. Saan na yung kuwangkaw? Hulog na.
Ay. Kinuha yata ah.
Baka... Wala ko dyan.
Agad-agad nahulog.
Nahulog yung kuwangkaw.
Saka ba dumaan kanina?
Dito, dito. Saan ka sa kabila? Wala, nahulog. Bumitaw eh. Bayad naman ako. Di ba yun?
Ay, ewan. Hindi na siguro kailangan mo.
Dito mo yun dito. Magtampi-tampiso ka mamaya dyan ha.